Excuse me, can I have 2 kalo Fepulea'i super in Fa'ausi, please?
I'm sorry, this is a library?
Huh? Oh, it's a library. Can I have 2 kalo Fepulea'i super and some Fa'ausi and your phone number? I just really enjoy being part of a student here at the US. At the USP, especially being an older student, not only am I a part-time model, I also do business and commerce and also working to be a full-time librarian. My name is Suavai Olealofa. I'm a part-time bus driver and also a proud part-time student of the USB here at the College of Science, Technology and Environment. Get rid of 5 here, makes 3 is 8, plus 2 makes 10. I'm also studying here at the business and commerce because my wife told me I need to mind my own business. After the 10 you take away XMC, extra mechanical sensitivity. Some ways you can use a commerce is like in a sentence, or when you're doing paragraphs, have a bit of a pause, then you put a commerce. Yeah, or a full stop. If you're asking a question, use a question mark. That will give you a successful business in Northern Pacific Ocean. Any question? You, stupid boy, any question? I'm a student, but because of so much knowledge I have, a lot of people come to me for help, so I'm like a student teacher. Excuse me, can you just keep it quiet, please? Making too much noise. Even the way you turn your page is too loud. And you, the way you're breathing is like Darth Vader. And then when you're breathing, I can hear your pain. This is a library, for goodness sake. The rules here is you must keep quiet. Peacefulness is the most important. You can't concentrate when there's too much noise. So I make sure everyone's quiet, even the way they breathe, the way they look. Excuse me, this is a library, you're too loud. Your hair's too loud. So if you can keep it down, please, okay? What's your phone number?
It's 911.
911. Shh. I love reading, helping people research. That's my background, is finding out information, or what we call fake color.
Hey family, I play a whole bunch of different characters, always fun and games and having a good laugh. But this is the real me, this is the real Tofiga. There's one thing that I want to encourage all our beautiful people out there. I want you to find your real self and follow your passion as well. And that's why I encourage you, come and check out the USB. To find out more about the amazing courses here and the resources that they have here, check out the website, the Facebook, and be a part of our USP family. Sa mola o tunu pele, po le ase course po singa wenga o lo mana mia sa ili ya so course ili USP. USP, Seki lo Aoga. Yeah.